What's up, kiddos? It's Mr. Rodkey. Your fun fact for the day is that out of the 8 planets in the solar system, you could only stand on 4 of them. The first 4 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, they're the closest planets to the sun, and they're all made of rock. So you could stand on them just like you could stand on a rock on Earth. The last 4 planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are all made of gas. They're called gas giants because they're huge. They're way bigger than the first 4 planets, and they're made of gas. So if you try to stand on them, you would just keep falling through because you can't stand on gas the same way that you can't stand on a fart. Today, we're going to talk about the science behind flips. Your materials for today will be just your body. That's it. That's all you need, so we're not going to make a mess. Alright, all you're going to do for this experiment is find a wide open area and do some spins. First, I'm going to spin with my arms open. I'm not spinning crazy hard like an insane person because I don't want to hurt myself. I'm just doing a nice, gentle spin. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to spin just as hard, but with my arms closed. As you can see, I'm not spinning all that fast. Here's the crazy part. Now, I'm going to start with my arms open, and I'm going to close them halfway through the spin. So one more time, watch me spin with my arms open. Not very fast, but watch what happens when I close my arms in the middle. I spin, I close, and it makes me spin way faster right away. Watch one more time. I go here, open, close. Immediately, you get pulled faster, and you're going to see that when you try it yourself. Make sure you're in a wide open area because you don't want to fall and hurt yourself. Going outside in the grass would be perfect, which is what we're going to do right now. So you saw what happens when I spin and I close my arms, I spin faster. But I can do that same concept when I flip with my whole body. If I flip and I leave my body long, just like if I spin with my arms out long, I'm going to spin slower like this. But if I tuck my whole body in, just like how I tuck my arms in, I'm going to spin faster like this. I can also apply this concept when spinning sideways. So on my next flip, I'm going to start with my arms open, and then you'll see me close them so I can spin faster. The next science concept that I can apply to my flips is that force equals mass times acceleration, which really means force is equal to how big something is times how fast something is. So if I want to apply more force in my flips, if I want to jump higher in my flips, I can't make myself any bigger. That's not possible. If it was possible, I'd be 6'3" right now, but I'm not. Since I can't make myself bigger, I can make myself faster. So if I want to flip higher and I can't get bigger, if I get faster, I'll have more force because force equals mass times acceleration. So if I accelerate just a little bit, it looks like this. But if I accelerate a lot, it looks like this. Alright, kiddos, that's your experiment for the week. Whew. It's hot out there. Remember, your experiment is not doing flips. Do not go to whatever adult you're with and say, hey, Mr. Rodkey said we're gonna go do a bunch of backflips. No, your experiment is opening your arms, spinning, and closing it halfway through. I was just showing you my flips because I wanted to show you how I personally apply science to what I do outside of the classroom to how I do my flips. Thank you to everyone that's been watching all of my videos. This is your last video for the rest of the year because this is your last week until summer break.
These are sad times.
I do want to thank all you kiddos for this whole year. You made my first year at Emma E. Booker Elementary amazing, and I'm already super excited to see all of you guys next year. If you want to contact me, you have my YouTube, you have my email, just let me know. Have a great summer. I'll see you next year. I'm out.